Richard Hamilton was a self-made millionaire who had everything money could buy: luxury cars, a mansion with marble floors, and a company everyone envied. But behind all that success was a man struggling to raise his 7-year-old son, Leo, alone. His wife had passed away 2 years ago in a tragic accident, and since then, Leo had changed. Once cheerful and full of laughter, he had become quiet, distant, and afraid to open up. Richard buried himself in work, thinking that providing comfort, toys, and a big house would somehow make up for the love his son lost. But deep down, he knew something was missing. One morning, he hired a new maid, Elena, a simple, kind woman in her early 30s. She spoke softly and carried herself with humility. Her job was to clean and take care of the house, but she noticed Leo sitting alone on the stairs, staring at nothing. While most workers ignored the boy, Elena knelt beside him and said gently, "You know, when you smile, the whole world lights up." Leo didn't answer, but that was the first time someone had spoken to him like that in months. Days turned into weeks, and Richard started noticing small changes. His son began leaving his room more often. The air in the house didn't feel so heavy anymore. One afternoon, Richard forgot his laptop at home and returned quietly. He froze at the doorway when he heard laughter, his son's laughter, echoing from the living room. It felt like music after years of silence. Peeking inside, he saw Leo sitting on the carpet, giggling as Elena helped him build a toy castle. She wasn't treating him like an employer's child, she was treating him like her own. She wiped his face, tied his shoelaces, and even whispered encouraging words when he got frustrated. Richard stood there, hidden, watching in awe. For the first time, he realized that what his son needed wasn't a psychologist or expensive gifts, he needed love. That night, Richard couldn't sleep. He thought about how cold and mechanical his life had become, how he replaced affection with money. The next morning, he walked into the kitchen and found Elena packing Leo's lunch. He noticed little notes tucked inside: "You are strong, you can do it, and your mom is proud of you." Richard's eyes welled up. No one had ever shown his son that kind of care. "Elena," he said softly, "why do you do this?" She smiled and said, "Because every child deserves to feel loved, sir. Even if it's just through a small note." 1 week later, Richard came home early again. This time, he found Leo asleep on the couch, his head resting on Elena's lap. She was gently brushing his hair, humming a lullaby. When she saw Richard, she gasped and stood up quickly. But Richard smiled. "You don't have to explain," he said kindly. "I just want to thank you." Elena lowered her gaze, embarrassed, but before she could reply, Leo woke up and hugged her tightly. "Dad, Miss Elena is an angel," the boy said with a bright smile. Richard's heart melted completely. However, the next morning, Elena didn't show up for work. Concerned, Richard called her repeatedly, but there was no answer. Finally, he decided to find her. After some searching, he discovered she lived in a small, run-down apartment on the city's edge. When he knocked, he found her caring for her sick, bedridden mother. Richard was stunned. Despite her struggles, she had always shown kindness and positivity. "Why didn't you tell me?" he asked. Elena wiped her tears and said, "Because I didn't want pity, sir. I just wanted to work and make people happy." Richard was deeply moved. Without hesitation, he paid for her mother's treatment and arranged for them to move into his mansion. Elena was overwhelmed. "Sir, I can't accept this," she whispered. "You can," Richard replied, "because kindness like yours deserves a home." Months passed, and the mansion that once felt empty was now full of warmth and laughter. Leo began calling Elena Mom, and her mother, though frail, lived her final days surrounded by care and dignity. Richard often watched Elena and Leo together, feeling peace he hadn't known in years. One evening, as they all sat at the dinner table, Leo looked at Richard and said, "Dad, I'm happy now." Richard smiled, tears in his eyes, realizing that true wealth wasn't about possessions, it was about love, empathy, and the people who touch our hearts unexpectedly. Elena had come into their lives as a maid but became the angel who healed a broken family. And from that day on, Richard made it his mission to use his wealth to help others the way Elena had helped him, not through money, but through kindness. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because sometimes, a single act of kindness can change everything.